You know we're supposed to actually get our PVC back.
Yeah, oh, I'm not getting anything.
Why?
After voting, they will not count your vote now. So there's no need of getting PVC, obviously.
Yeah. Why should I say some? Anything you say, Sha.
Anything I say?
Yes.
No problem.
Hi guys, so I'm just coming back from INEC's office. I just got my PVC. So please, it won't take long. Go and get your PVC and vote wisely. Do not vote because this person is from your tribe or because this person is from your state. I believe we already know the track records of these candidates. So please, vote wisely, vote for competence, and go and get your PVC. This is the first step to wanting a better state or a better nation. Bye guys.
Auntie, good afternoon. Hey, I want to buy pepper.
Okay.
I want to buy 1,000. Jesus. My mommy gave me only 500 though.
Yes, Sigike now. You know you na achi. Your bro Moame. We go moto. Iye Sigike. Oh, you na achi. It's not my fault. Oh, man.
Okay, let me give you after. I'll bring the other change for you.
Okay, man. Can measure again. Makibu customer. Oh. Oburo mu ame onye na-achi ihe niile agara go ọnụ ịchọrọ tomato
mba so
okay.
This thing is small o
ọbụkwa mu ame thank you onye echekwa gị maka change na-echefukwana nna mgbe ọbụla anyị na-agba mmiri wel ọta agaghị esi megharị 2027 biko ụwa m na chi m biko mee ka onye Igbo cha Nigeria chukwu Aisha now
I dey fine
the people keep me with my well water
wetin dey try talk I no understand
I talk before Nigeria take dey no be
wait una dey talk o wait make I tell you something first
tell me something
na my own person go bring the real change for Nigeria
charge dey like this room
abeg I no get your time
just dey get your time before
just dey go your way before I no wan insult you
dey go
rubbish
na-ewe mo bambi gbogbo ya gbam ọmọ Igbo
what is it?
Why
are you looking at me? Am I not washing my clothes on my own?
Now you cause am why I go dey first?
Now because I marry your people.
No marry am now. You for find better person.
Moibo, you won't get too much. What is this one?
Which one be my own?
Say to smell like this.
They call the
Talk one down.
Why you feel man?
I mean, you can't let go. What is this one now?
Where you dey for my land?
You don't wash in peace.
You not fit. You not fit.
How do you go?
Not fit. You not fit.
Oh yeah, come close and make you talk that thing.
But you should calm down. You should calm down. You people should calm down. All the things people are doing is not necessary. I genuinely do not understand why every minute of the day you people are shouting at each other, blaming each other for something that is not even your fault. This is not what it means. This is not what we are supposed to be channeling our energy to. Chika, when you went to go and buy the pepper, maybe they told you 3 for 1,000 naira. Did they ask you for your tribe? Did they sell it to you because of your tribe? The economy is affecting every single one of us, not because of our tribe. It has nothing to do with the state you are from. The government is just as bad as it is. And instead of shouting at one another, we are supposed to be doing all of these things responsibly. And that is exactly what it means to do or participate or discharge your civic responsibilities. Civic responsibility means participating in all these things peacefully. It equally means respecting each other's opinion. Okay, that this particular person feels like, oh, this is my candidate and this is the person I want to vote for, does not mean you have to come and start attacking her. I personally believe that we all should channel our energy into getting our PVC and voting responsibly. Instead of shouting at one another, you are supposed to sit down, critically analyze these candidates, because I believe that their track records are out there. We know what they can do, what they cannot cannot do and who is best fitted for that position. So this is what we are supposed to be channeling our energy into. Know the best candidates, get your PVC and vote responsibly. That is just what it means to discharge your civic responsibility peacefully. Please let us just end all of this quarrel in this household. I'm genuinely tired. It's nobody's fault. Let's vote in the best government and let's watch our life take a U-turn. Thank you.